we will look at common word pairs like whose versus whose, began versus begun, broke versus broken, and came versus come. Hello learners, welcome back to our English grammar series. Today we are practicing an important topic using words correctly. This is from Junior English book 3 and the page number is 51. Here in the box it's written whose means belonging to whom. Whose means who is. Began needs no helping word. Begun needs a helping word. Now you can tell which are helping word. Helping word may be am, is, are, was, were, have, has, shall, will, had, will have, etc. Broke needs no helping word. Broken needs a helping word. Came needs no helping word. Come is used with a helping word here. After reading this, if we do some exercises, then the topic will be clearer for us. At first, we will do a number exercise. Here, what is written? See, do you know that bag this is? In this place, actually, we will use whose and who is. Whose means we got already belonging to whom, and who is means who is. So, in this place, what will be? Do you know dash bag this is? It will be, of course, do you know whose bag this is? 2 number, I wonder dash on duty in the library today. So here, of course, I wonder it will be who is. It means who apostrophe s on duty in the library today. 3 number, the doctor was attending a patient dash arm was broken. So here what we will use? We will use whose because here the patient arm is indicated and this is belonging to the patient. So that's why here we are going to use whose. 4 number, the club leader wants to know that's responsible for the damage. So here we will use who apostrophe s. Why? Because the club leader wants to know who is responsible for the damage. He wants to know the person's name. So that's why who apostrophe s. 5 number, the woman dash purse was stolen, reported it to the police. Of course, here we will use whose because the purse is belongs to the woman. So that's why we will put here whose. Now B number exercise 1. Lessons dash promptly at 9 o'clock. What will be here? In this place, especially we will use began and begun. First time we have found the thing. What is that? Begun needs no helping word. Begun needs a helping word. So if we find here in this place means before the blank, if we find any helping word, what I have told, especially if we find has, had or was, then we will use begun. Why? Because begun needs a helping word. So let's do lesson dash promptly at 9 o'clock. Here there is no helping word before the blank, of course. That's why, of course, we should use here began. 2 number, lesson had dash when Ahmed arrived at school. So here had, it means a helping word is already before the blank. We have to use here began. Marva has dash to take a pride in her appearance. Here what we will use? Here we will use Marva has begun to take pride in her appearance. Why begun? Because here has is already, which is a helping word. Work on the new road was dash yesterday. So here, of course, we have got already one clue, that is helping word was is here. We will use in this place began. 5 number, workman dash work on the new road yesterday. Here before the blank there is no helping word. so blindly we will put here began. Now we will do C number exercise. A cricket ball dashed the office window. We will put here broke and broken. One thing we read already, that is broke is a simple past and it doesn't need any helping word, but broken is a past participle and it needs a helping word. So what we will put here, a cricket ball broke the office window. Why? So simple, what we have done before. There is no helping word, that's why here we'll put broke. 2 number, the office window has been dashed several times before. So here helping words are present, that's why we will put here broken. Only 2 eggs were dashed out of 600. Only 2 eggs were what? Were broken out of 600. Why? Because before the blank, one helping word has been used. 4 number, a careless packer dashed those 2 eggs. So there is no helping word before the blank, so blindly we will put here broke. A careless packer broke those 2 eggs. 5 number, Lee admitted that he had dashed the ruler. Here one helping word is already, that's why we will put here broken. Lee admitted that he had broken the ruler. 6 number, he dashed it when he hit James with it. He broke it when he hit James with it. There is no helping word before the blank, that's why we have used here broke. At last we will do D number exercise. Here we will find came versus come, means we will use in the blanks come or came. We know already when we should use come and when we will use came. Came is actually simple past of come and come is the past participle of come. Simple way we have to keep remember, come we will use when we will find there is a helping word before the blank. Let's start. 1 number, the dormouse did not venture out till spring had dash. Spring had come. Why? Because before the blank already there is had. 2 number, has the post dash yet? What we will use here, has the post, here has is already, that's why we will use here come. Has the post come yet? 3 number, yes, it dash half an hour ago. So here there is no helping word before the blank, that's why we will simply use here yes, it came half an hour ago. 4 number, I hope you will dash to my party. There is a helping verb will, that's why we will use here come. It will be I hope you will come to my party. 5 number, you dashed to my party last year. There is no helping word before the blank, that's why so simply we will put came. You came to my party last year. Great job everyone. Today you learned how to use whose versus who is, began versus begun, broke versus broken, and came versus come. We have done it from Junior English Book 3 and page number 51. The topic was using words correctly. Bye for today.